So today we have a customer stated that their spot drained all the way out, and we got here. They showed me a picture of this. They texted me a picture. And that's the air bleeder. It's right there. So I already began extracting it. And I extracted the piece here. It's completely snapped off here. We get the new piece. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Looks like leaders. These are just bark couplings. Here we go. Trying to have as many things as possible. We don't have everything, but we try to carry as much. Let's see if we get lucky here. Let's see. Alright, so we can find anything for this customer is it's snapped off for a reason. So normally tubes don't really snap off for a reason unless the manufacturer didn't put in enough slack on that tubing that over time it just yanked too much tension and caused it to just snap off. So we're just gonna go ahead and see if we could extend that tube a little bit to give it a little bit more slack, so if it did break, if it snapped in half because it didn't have any slack on it, it's not going to happen again for many years to come. So let's go back. Get some more. Got some more. Let's head back. Alright, so here's the piece, the new piece. Make sure it goes in straight. Not loose. Actually, there's enough slack in here, so as far as why it broke in the first place, no idea. Weird. Push that in there. Let's get that broken piece out of there. Tighten this up. I wonder if somebody tried to bleed pump 2 and couldn't. Or tried to and cause it to snap, but let's see here. There we go. I don't like these pinch clamps. There we go. It's all set. I'll fill it up now. This is definitely going to take a while to fill. Alright, so that hose is going to take a little longer to fill just because of the sizes of the water hose he has there. Is just we're going to be here forever, so we're just going to go ahead and grab my own hoses, attach it to another faucet, and fill it up. Alrighty, so we're filling it up right now. No water drops. Looking good so far.